Hi viewers, today we'll solve example 8.3 from Boylestad. Here we have to identify the current I1 which is flowing through this 2 ohm resistance and the voltage Vs which is across the current source. From the circuit we see that the current source is of value 6 ampere which is flowing through the resistance of a parallel combination 2 ohm and 1 ohm. By using current divider rule, we can easily determine the current I1 flowing through this 2 ohm resistance. So, by using current divider rule, using current divider, we get I1 is equal resistance of opposite end, that is 1 ohm, multiplied by the total current 6 ampere, which is divided by the total resistance, that is 1 ohm plus 2 ohm. So this is 6 ampere by 3 ohm. This is 2 ampere ohm. This is 2 ampere. Now since I1 is 2 ampere, so current flowing through this point is 4 ampere. Let this current be I2. So I2 is 4 ampere. Now the voltage V1 is equal the current I1 which is 2 ampere multiplied by the resistance which is 2 ohm. So this is 4 volt. Now we have to identify the voltage Vs. Here V1 is 4 volt. Now we can use Kirchhoff's voltage law throughout this path. By running KVL using Kirchhoff's voltage law, we will get here minus Vs plus V1, and here is plus and this is minus, that is plus 20 is equal 0. Vs is equal V1 which is of 4 volt, 4 plus 20, that is 24 volt. So I1 is equal 2 ampere, V1 is equal 4 volt, and Vs is equal 24 volt. These are answer. Thanks for watching.